Today we're going to talk about carry loops. We're going to learn how to measure yourself, how to measure the loop, and how to wear the loop. So to start off about measuring yourself, start with your height. Most of us already know our heights. Just convert that in Google into centimeters. Mine is 167 centimeters. But the tricky part that most people find tricky is your bust. You're gonna take a measure. We're gonna go all the way around the largest part while you're standing straight. And in centimeters, mine is 94 centimeters. So I'm gonna take those two measurements, add them together, divide them by 2. For me, that would be 130.5. So I would order a 1.3 meter carry loop. To measure your carry loop, you're going to start at the hem. You're going to put your tape measure right up against it and just loosely measure along the rail. All the way until you get right back to that hem. 130, so this is perfectly 1.3. Now we're going to go over how to wear smaller babies. I'm going to be using Rosebud here, and clearly Rosebud is the size of a newborn. We do not recommend using a carry loop with a newborn unless you're using 2 carry loops crossed over each other or have 2 hands always on the baby. That being said, she's the smallest baby that we have around to practice with, so I'm going to show you with her. So first you'll put your baby in, scoot their bum in, and see, most people would think, well, this carry loop is huge. This baby will not fit, I got the wrong size. But no, if it's too big, pull your hand under the shoulder and pull it through. I'm gonna show you my back because I have to just straighten it up back there. And even still, it's like, well, it's still way too loose. Well, if you take your shoulder and you pull it, my hair is just a little bit getting in the way, and pull it all the way down. And when I mean all the way, I mean find the other rail and keep it at your shoulder without any creasing there. And as low as you can go, and then pull it right back up. You can use 2 hands. You can pull it a little tighter if you need. If you even want, you could probably even pull it back down for a little extra. And again, if the baby was small, of course, you can tuck something in there to help with head support. But that's how you would wear a smaller baby if it feels like it's just a little loose with the double shoulder flip. Next, I'm going to show you how I can wear my 4.5-year-old in this exact same carry loop. This is my large 4.5-year-old who is standing on a stool, and I'm going to be putting him up on my front and then on my back. So I already have the loop with the shoulder flipped, and I'm going to go over his head. He's going to pull his arms through, and I'm going to get down so that I can give him a real good seat.
So I just had my zip
Oh,
on.
that's okay. All right, I'm going to lift you up now, okay?
Okay.
Can you hold on?
Yeah.
Give him a real good seat. Oh, my shoulder's popping a bit, but that's okay because I'll just pull it right back down. And I'm going to spread it across his back. He likes his arms out, so we're going to leave him like this, but you could easily put their arms in if they wanted.
I want them in.
Oh, you want them in? Okay. Here, let's do elbows. And up and over. There we go.
I didn't want them.
So now we could be walking around. Obviously, I wouldn't carry him like this for too long, but works perfectly well. I could even just flip him over to my back just like this, actually. So I'm just gonna put my arm around him and do some jumping.
Yeah, I'm with that.
Adjust this until it's comfortable. I like to...
It's not comfortable.
What? I like to fold this part
I'm
over.
getting myself down.
He's in there. He thinks he's getting down, but he's in there.